Okay, so here are the first two examples, and if we look at number 1, it's saying find the exact length of arc BC. Let me just move that a little bit. If the diameter of the circle is 6. Okay, so if the diameter of the circle is 6, then we need to find the circumference that we're going to use there. So the circumference would be 6 pi, so keep that in mind. And we can see that the central angle here is 110 degrees. So the arc's measure would be 110 degrees. So we would say 110 is to the whole circle of 360. As we're trying to find this arc length in whatever units, it didn't give us a unit. So in the arc length, which we'll call x, and the whole circle all the way around, we figured out the circumference is 6 pi. So we're just going to multiply, we're going to multiply diagonally and get 660 pi equals 360x. If we divide by 360 on both sides, we get 11/6 pi. And that is approximately the same as 5.760, and that is units, because we weren't given a unit. In the next example, similar situation. This time we're trying to find this major arc's length, and we know the radius is 4. So if the radius is 4, the circumference is 2 pi r. So the circumference is going to be 8 pi. And here we know this is 110, so this would be 250 in degrees over the whole circle. And we're trying to find this length, which is x, over the circumference, which we found to be 8 pi. When you multiply diagonally, you get 2,000 pi equals 360x. Divide both sides by 360 and you get 50/9 pi. And the approximate for that would be 17.453. Okay, so there's one example.